Greetings friends, welcome to the den. It's nice to see you all once again. Excuse me, I'd like to thank the new subscribers. Picked up a couple new people to the channel, so thank you very much. So we're going to get right into this today. Something I haven't used on camera yet. I've used it a couple times off camera though, and that is Art of Shaving Sandalwood Cream. A lot of people know about this stuff, and that's a very nice sandalwood scent. Very, very, very nice. Pairs beautifully with Paraso Red. So we will wet the face, and we're going to get right into this. So this is actually a fairly firm cream. I don't know if it's because of the temperature, it's been so hot, but to me that would suggest that this would be more pliable. But this is actually quite firm, as you can see. You can still dig into it, but most creams that I have, they're very, very pliable. So I'm going to scoop out about an almond-sized amount. That's usually my go-to. Now, if you're a bowl latherer, you can just put this right in your bowl, or in your brush. If you're a face latherer, you can put it right in your brush. Or what I like to do is I just like to apply it to the face. Now I'm just going to rub it in, just as a nice layer of cream. And yeah, I think I may have way too much. Just want to get a nice even layer of cream on the face. With the softer ones, you know, I would be prone to throw it into the brush, but this one is feeling so firm that I just want to rub it onto the face. So hopefully everybody's having a great day. I was saddened to see the video from Flash Boredom today. He's not doing so well health-wise, and I guess his mom isn't doing so well health-wise. So Flash, Graham, if you are watching this, please let it be known that I will be thinking of you. You've been a huge supporter of my channel and many others right from the get-go. So thank you very much. Your continued support, especially of us smaller channels, has been just amazing. So I wish you nothing but the best. I would love to see you back on screen, but if you can't make it back, I understand. I've had my own, and I don't want to make this about me. I'll tell you one thing, that's some slick stuff. No, I don't want to make this about me. I've had my own, my own doubts as to whether I was going to continue on with my channel. I'm glad I did. And that's a good segue into the next part of this as we get ready to lather this cream. And we're going to use my Matti Lindholm shaving, so MLS shaving supplies brush, a 24mm measured synthetic knot, fairly damp. And we're just gonna splay the tips right off the bat. Just start building up this cream. But no, I have my doubts whether I was going to continue on, but the camaraderie of the wet shaving community is what's kept me going. And it really is, one of the best communities on the face of the earth as far as I am concerned. It's full of super generous people. For instance, this shave, I got this cream from Matti Mercosha. I got this splash from Mike Merrifield a couple years ago. And this brush and the razor I'm going to be using, I got from Matti Lindholm. And, as I went through the recovery from a heart attack and then the vision loss, a lot of people have reached out and sent stuff. And it means more than anybody could possibly know. Just knowing that, you know, there are people out there that think about you and care, and it's great. So I know I'm planning on doing another giveaway at some point. Not sure what I'm going to give away yet, but I'll figure something out. I'm sure of it, because I do like to give back from time to time. Just keep the good karma going and the camaraderie going in this wonderful, wonderful community of people. And as you can see, this is lathering up quite nice. A little bit painful to watch me smearing that on, because it just didn't really want to smear on, but that's okay. Art of Shaving is regarded as one of the better creams, I guess, on the market. I'm more of a soap guy, but I do have a few creams, and you know, I'm thinking I might start a dedicated cream day once a week. I'll use a shaving cream just to try and start getting through some of the stuff and use up some stuff. What do you guys do? Any of you guys have a dedicated cream day, or you know, I know there's stuff like Menthol Monday and Tobacco Tuesday. What about creams? Is there a day that you reach into the pile of shaving cream and bust that out? But no, very, very nice. Building a very good lather. With hard water, I'm actually out of distilled water to pick some up with the groceries. Scent strength on this is very, very nice. It's just straight up sandalwood. I'm not picking up any other notes of anything. Just sandalwood. Nice and prevalent, very strong. I'd give this about a good 7 on the old sniffometer. And yeah, I think I'm going to roll with that. Brush is full of lather. And we'll get right down to it. Get cleaned up a bit here. Perfect. It is fairly slick, I will give it that. But just how slick, we're going to find out. So the razor for today is a beautiful little piece of Swedish steel that I got from Matti, who kindly sent this to me. It is a Hejestrand Mk No.4. Some good old vintage Swedish steel. And let's put some steel to skin and see how she does. Very nice. This razor is wicked sharp, and this cream is slick as far as creams go. Some creams have a tendency to be a little bit drying. And a little bit sticky, but this one is very nice. I just lost a big old gob of cream. This is only a 4/8 blade, so should have rinsed off. All right, so that's the first pass. Do a rinse and check for some residual slickness. Yeah, it's very nice. There is a fair bit of residual slickness there. Very impressed. So, Art of Shaving, it's not quite up there with high-end soaps, but you know what? It's pretty damn close as far as the cream goes. So, if you're a cream person and you prefer that over soap, I think you could buy this. I would say you could buy this with confidence and know that you're going to get a high-end product. And if you do like sandalwood, this is a fantastic sandalwood scent. Very, very pleasant. Very, very prevalent too. Alright, getting to pass number 2. Trying to use the straight razors a little bit more lately. Kind of got away from using them a bit, but now I'm trying to get into a little bit more here. On some DE news, any of you looking to get a curve, the wait list has been opened up again for the stainless steel, so yeah, keep that in mind. I couldn't help it and I had to join the wait list. I said when I got my brass carve, if some of you remember, that I was not going to buy a stainless steel version. I was just going to get the brass and go with that because I already have a couple stainless razors, and you know I wanted a brass one because I really like the look of the brass, and I figured that would be perfect, fine, all I need. Well, was I ever wrong? Because of course the stainless one dropped and it's just gorgeous. And it's the best shaving razor I have in the den. So of course, being enabled by all you other fine folks on Instagram and YouTube, I just had to do it. So now I'm on the list. I don't know how I'm going to pay for it yet, but I think I'm 125 on the list. So it'll take a while for my number to come up. So I think I might have to sell some stuff. I have a couple of razors I think some people might be interested in. None of my straights, but some of my DEs. Very good. I have a couple DEs that are, well, not a couple, I have one that's on Anatonium. You can't buy it anymore. So we'll see what that fetches, possibly. Then I may have to eat some of the cost, but that's okay. I said I would never buy any more safety razors once I got my other carve, but boy was I wrong. nice. Well, that is almost a perfect shave right there. I just need a little bit more finish work. So I'm going to finish off with a DE because you know what? There is no shame in finishing off with the DE as far as I'm concerned. Some guys get get a perfect shave with a straight razor, and some of us don't, and that's okay. I like to think that I mow down almost all the hairs and just catch the last few errant ones with a DE, and that is going to be the fat boy. This cream is performing wonderfully though. I must say. Very, very slick as far as creams go, for sure. Would definitely recommend. And the scent, it just seems like it's getting stronger and stronger as the shave goes on. My whole den just smells of sandalwood. And it's gorgeous. All right, going to the rinse. Don't know if I nicked my ear or something or what. I don't think so though. I don't get that close to it. It's itchy. Although there's a bit of shaving cream on there. That might be it. It could be reacting a bit on my ear. The rest of my face feels good though. And if there's any blood, I can't see it anyway. So, whatever. Alright, so we're going to go right into the post with the Parasso Red. I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with the Parasso Red. Just another phenomenal sandalwood scent. And we'll get a good healthy application of this. And this is full of alcohol, so we will quickly find out just what kind of a shave that was. And that was a good one. No burn, no sting, no anything. Just the way I like it. Not quite BBS or DFS, but that's fine. I'm now finally back to shaving every day, so it does not really matter whether it's BBS or DFS, because you know what? In 24 hours, the hair is going to be there anyway. Alright guys, so that is the shave. Taking a look at the art of shaving sandalwood, and highlighting some products from some very generous people. So that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button and ringing the bell. And that's it until the next one. So as always friends, have a great day in an even better shave, and we'll catch you on the weekend. Bye.